Born at Udbhavaha, the Human Toolkit is a lab for self-reliance. A toolkit is only as good as the hand that holds it. As you shape the material, you develop the most important tool of all, yourself. Meet a woodwork teacher, Sri Mohan Subramanya. He leads Vice Versa, our dedicated woodworking wing, where we practice the vice versa of growth. As you shape the wood shapes you. Mohan isn't just a woodworker. He's a mentor who believes that every saw stroke is a lesson in character. Known for his precision-focused teaching and humor, he creates a space where students move from doing to mastering. He radiates a passion for craft that inspires students to push past their perceived limits and discover what they are truly capable of. This is the education of the will, mastering the world with your own two hands. Our next intensive is open to everyone aged 13 and up. We are building a piano key rack, a project where mechanics meets art. You will learn a new skill and the deep satisfaction of finishing what you start. Walk away with a functional piece of furniture you can be truly proud of. Get off the screens and back to the bench. Check the flyer for details. Let's build something real.